Okay, we're gonna get some water. So step one is, here's our pricing. It's $2 for 10 pounds of ice, $1 for 5 gallons of water. We're gonna do the gallon of water today. And so you swipe your card, or you can put your card right there, and you wait for the light to turn orange. And then we're gonna get our water bottle, put it underneath here. Make sure it's right there. You press the button. And so it's gonna fill 5 gallons for $1. If you've ever been to any other place, it's definitely a lot more expensive. 1, 2, our water is 5-stage filtered. So it's really, really healthy water, great tasting water. So, and then you fill up your water. And that transaction, that's $1. So you can actually fill up to 5 gallons for your swipe, because that's just kind of how we have our system set up. And then that takes care of the water.